Locally owned business Bentley Baths walk-in therapy tubs is a trusted product designed with safety in mind. Create your own spa experience with easy access control. Your aches and stress will disappear in a distant memory. Take a look to see if you qualify for a free Bentley bath. So, George, for over 15 years, you have been basically the walk-in tub expert here in Denver. So remind me how you got in this business.
It actually happened to my family. My mom fell in the bathtub, broke her hip, put her on a medical downward spiral. We ended up losing her in a nursing home. The main thing that happened was my dad said, as a result of that, I'll never go into a nursing home. So I started looking for ways to keep my dad safe and at home. And by the way, he's now 99 years old and he still lives independently in rural Arkansas, which is really cool. But I discovered these things called walk-in bathtubs, and I found out they were a very valuable resource for people who want to stay independent and in their own home.
Oh, absolutely, and what a great story. I think a lot of people, though, think, oh, well, that's not going to happen to me. I'm going to be fine. I can handle it. I can get in and out just fine. I don't need that. What do you say to those folks?
Well, you know, we don't call them accidents for no reason. Nobody plans to fall in their bathroom and hurt themselves, and it's just like nobody plans to get injured in an automobile accident. But we wear our seatbelts and we have airbags in our cars. Bathroom-related injuries are happening every 15 seconds. So we actually have more people dying from bathroom-related falls than from automobile accidents. But the cool thing is we're probably more about health now than safety. Our therapies, our medical hydrotherapies, our skin therapies are life-altering, and it's not just for people with progressive degenerative conditions. Anybody, athletes. You probably remember the images of Peyton Manning sitting in.
I do.
That's medical hydrotherapy. Professional athletes use it. We now put this in the home for all our customers.
So I think it's safe to say that not all walk-in tubs are the same, right?
Oh, it's like anything. There are a wide range of quality options out there, and that's why I put my name on everything. I want my customers to know that when they invest with us, they're getting the very highest quality possible. We have 35 different tub options, all different kinds of valving possibilities for people, and the key is to custom fit our solutions to their needs and their budget.
So when people come to you because you're the expert, what tends to be the #1 question that they have for you?
Well, I just mentioned it. All of my customers tend to be on a budget one way or the other, and that's where we're really strong. We can help people no matter what their financial situation is. We have a solution. We like to say from Medicaid to mansions, we can help everyone. So right now, if you qualify, we can actually show you how you can get one of our Bentley Baths absolutely free from the federal government. We have amazing financing options. We can get you into a tub for as low as $97 a month. And here's something I'm really excited about. Again, we've been around for 15 years. I've got, I don't know, 5 or 7 refurbished tubs in my warehouse that I need to get them out of the way, and we're going to blow them out. So we can offer some really amazing pricing options to folks. We can make money the very best part.
And you're making sure that everyone who wants one or needs one can get their hands on one.
That's our mission. That's right. I want people doing medical hydrotherapies every day if they want to, and that's why my dad's 99 years old. He does one every day.
Well, 99 years old, I think you're gonna catch up with him, probably surpass him, don't you think?
Yep, and he can kick both our butts.
Yes, it can. Call today to see if you or a loved one qualifies for a free Bentley bath. You can also get up to 50% off on a refurbished or liquidation tub. The number to call, 303-388-8887. Remember, call before you fall. Medicaid is accepted, and don't wait before it's too late. Learn more online at bentleybaths.com. They paid for today's segment.